What did I do? So what do we got here? Well, it's the iconic Peterbilt 359 Corvette dash, big cam Cummins 400, 13 speed. Got Dana Spicer 402s in the rear, 370 gear ratios. What am I doing with it here? Well, I own it. I happened to stumble across this truck sitting on the side of the road with the for sale sign in it. Stopped, looked at it a couple of times, talked to the guy, and we ended up striking a deal on it. So this thing's mine now. Probably going to take a while to get this thing fixed up. Needs a fair bit of work, but it's really in pretty decent condition for being unrestored. This thing runs like a top, starts right up, engine seems good, the transmission shifts tight. Drove it home, no issues. It's definitely going to need a repaint. Roof cap's pretty rusty, it's going to need to be removed and replaced. Frame's in pretty good shape. It's solid everywhere. There is a bit of rust jacking underneath the fifth wheel. The fifth wheel really needs to be removed sometime soon, have that cleaned up and treated before that gets any worse. I wasn't really looking for a project right now. I had not really intended on buying a truck like this. But, you know, it's always been kind of a dream of mine to own a 359 Peterbilt. And the price was right on this truck. It was close to home. I wasn't even looking for it. I happened to drive by it and see it. That's how I found it. And ended up buying it. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy watching videos on fixing up a Peterbilt 359, because I think there's going to be a few of them. So anyway, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe down below. Thank you. Have a good